So Procreate has this awesome way to import videos into Procreate, and then you can draw on each frame and create a simple animation. In these two examples, one I did with MGK and another one I did with Mr. Healy Your Girl. So after you've got your video that you want to import saved into your photo library, you're going to want to go to the top right and click on photo. And then after you click photo, you're going to select that video that's in your photo library and then click import into Procreate. So with the animation assist on, you're going to see there's a ton of layers or frames. And so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the very first frame, select the type of brush that you want to use and the color. So you're going to go on the first frame and you're just going to trace the outline of the character that you want to use in your video. So it could be your face or it could be someone's eyes. So in this case, I'm using MGK and I'm just going to be going over his body with an outline. After I've gotten a very simple outline, I'm going to move to the next frame just by clicking on the next frame with my the Apple Pen, and then I'm just going to trace the same exact things I traced in the first frame, but just now on the second frame. And then after I'm finished with this second frame, I'm going to move on to the third frame. You can kind of see it's kind of a long process and very tedious. That's why I chose to do a very simple design for this one, because it does take a lot of time. So for time's sake, I only did the first 30 or 40 frames. There was over 200 in the one I imported. That's something you got to be aware of when you're doing these videos, because it's going to take a lot of time to draw on 200 frames. So to export this out, you're going to want to click on this tool icon right next to gallery, and then go to the share tab, and then you're going to want to go to animated MP4. So from here, you can choose the resolution or the frame rate. I'm just sticking with this 25 frame rate. It's clean, it's simple, it's nothing crazy. Obviously, the more frames you have per second, the smoother the video will look. But in this case, I'm going for kind of a cool animated overlay look. And so I'm using less frames.